Let me tell you something very interesting. Guys, did you know there is a term for people जहाँ पे कई बार ना डर लगता है just thinking about कि oh my god, the world is moving ahead at such a fast pace. We're getting all new gadgets, all new technologies और कई बार हमको डर लगता है सोचते हुए that हमको ये सब सीखना पड़ेगा. We'll be kind of adapting to all these. कितना easy होगा, कितना मुश्किल होगा. Sometimes the dislike of new technology. Yes, there's a term for that, and the term is technophobia. Yes, the fear of this fast evolving world of tech. ये एक actual term है. It's called technophobia, but you know what? Why to fear when TG is here? I'm gonna solve all your problems. जो भी आपके दिमाग में सवाल होते हैं ना, whenever talking about new technologies, new terms, new gadgets, you know the place. मैं सब कुछ solve करने वाला हूँ आपके लिए in your favorite show, Gadgets 360 with Techlink Guruji. तो यहाँ पे there's no place for technophobia because we love technology. So guys, moving ahead, I've got some cool new gadgets for you. अब शो का नाम ही gadgets है, तो आपके लिए products तो मैं लेके आता रहता हूँ. And this time I've got not one, not two, but 3 different unique gadgets coming in from the world of Nothing. In fact, this is a sub brand जो कि Nothing ने भी start किया है by the name of CMF, which clearly translates to color, material and finish. What we have is this, a new charger which is the Power 65 watt GAN charger. At the same time we have this which is the Buds Pro by CMF, quite affordable. थोड़ा सा कुछ एक नया डिजाइन लोग लेके आए हैं. And finally we have the Watch Pro by CMF, again a smart watch, not really a Nothing's smartwatch but एक सब ब्रांड के फॉर्म में आई है ये नई वॉच, Watch Pro by CMF by Nothing. So let's see up close कि आखिर ये तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर क्या स्पेशल है और किस तरीके से ये काम करते हैं.
नथिंग के सब ब्रांड CMF ने लॉन्च किए हैं अपने CMF Watch Pro, Buds Pro and GAN charger 65 watt. CMF Watch Pro की प्राइस इन इंडिया is set at ₹4499. The CMF Watch Pro सपोर्ट करेगा a square 1.96 inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 58 Hz and over 600 nits of peak brightness. Featuring a 10 mm dynamic driver unit, the Buds offer support for 45 decibels of active noise cancellation (ANC). The CMF Buds Pro come in 3 color options and they're listed at ₹3499. The CMF Power 65 adapter supports multiple charging standards and also supports MFI certified cables. The CMF Power 65 GAN charger is priced at ₹2999.
So what we have is kind of this lineup of 3 new products. Charger जो है, I think it's quite useful because it's a GAN charger, quite compact, 3 ports लेके आता है, so new kind of thing. और अब तो iPhone भी USB-C से चार्ज होता है. ये जोक वैसे बहुत लंबा चलने वाला है, but then again this kind of supports all the kind of basic charging protocols. Buds की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पे भी if you see, I mean this new color, although they come in some other colors as well, but the orange is quite bright, giving you up to 11 hours of battery backup in this kind of form factor. It's quite commendable and जो total backup है वो 39 hours का है. And then मैंने अपनी घड़ी भी change कर ली है to this CMF Watch Pro, although it just temporarily changed. I'm still going to use my Apple Watch, but then again this is the kind of smartwatch coming in from CMF by Nothing. A starting price of ₹4,499. इसका एक और version भी है which is exactly the one that I'm wearing, priced at ₹4,999. But now it's just the beginning. It's yet to be seen कि आगे we might get a CMF smartphone or who knows what all categories CMF might be coming in, but अभी के लिए we got these 3 new products. Yeah, one is right here. आप देख सकते हैं इनको, and I mean I think they definitely have their own unique personality.